Cleanliness is half of faith, and ear cleaning is an essential part of personal hygiene. A person who performs this task with dedication, honesty, and sincerity is not only serving others, but also earning lawful livelihood. A good ear cleaner works gently and skillfully to improve people's hearing and make them feel light and refreshed. If you want blessings in your profession, always maintain hygiene, keep your tools clean, and prioritize customer comfort. Remember, those who bring ease to others receive Allah's mercy. About ear cleaning. Ear cleaning is a delicate process that requires caution. Excess wax buildup can affect hearing and cause irritation. Here are some key points. 1. Natural cleaning. The ears have a self-cleaning mechanism, so excessive cleaning can be harmful. 2. Avoid cotton buds. They push wax deeper instead of removing it. 3. Use oil. Warm olive or mustard oil can soften hardened wax for easy removal. 4. Professional cleaning. If there's too much buildup or hearing issues, seek expert help. 5. Clean tools. Always sterilize your tools to prevent infections.